All right, what's your name?
My name is William Beasley.
What is your favorite color?
Red.
Awesome. Why is red your favorite color?
It's been red for a minute. I don't know. It's not really a reason why my favorite
A good
color.
minute.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Red and gold.
What is your favorite place on the planet?
My grandma's house.
Okay, why?
I feel like I'm free there.
Yeah?
It's really no restrictions for me. So it's just open space.
That is awesome. That is the first time we've had that answer. What was I gonna say? What did you do in college?
I started off with pre-pharmacy. Then I switched to computer science. I started at Houston Community College, and I got a scholarship for digital media, gaming and simulation for programmers. And then I went to University of Houston downtown, and I got my computer science, bachelor's in computer science.
Awesome. How do you feel about the color chartreuse?
Since I just found out what color it was, I guess it's a pretty color, like green apple.
Nice, nice. And how long have you been working with Coder Kids?
Over a year. I'll say a year and 6 months around.
Nice. Good stuff. Is there a fun fact you like to share about yourself?
Fun fact. I don't know. I sing when I'm by myself.
Nice.
That's a good fun fact. I'm really chill. Crazy fact. I had 12 fingers.
Wow. I guess we'll end it there. All right. I'll see you later.